John, I love the topic you have today. You're always bringing up these great things, and today we're going to be talking about the 5 questions that you're probably too embarrassed to ask about insurance.
Yeah, absolutely, and home insurance in particular. First one, is home insurance required by law? Do you know the answer to this?
It is not.
It is not. Correct. Home insurance is not required by law.
When is it required?
It is required, and that brings us to question 2. Why do I need homeowners insurance? It is required, 1, if you have a mortgage on your property. Your lender is going to require that you carry homeowners insurance because you don't own so much of the house. At most, sometimes 20%, when you're first purchasing it. The bank has a lot more skin in the game. So the bank's going to want to make sure that that property is protected in case anything were to happen to it.
Makes
that
sense.
they can get their investment back. But more importantly, why do I need homeowners insurance is because a home is an investment. You're investing your money, your time, your family's future in a home when you purchase one. And you want to make sure that if anything were to happen to your home, you're going to be able to get your investment back. You're going to be able to be made whole again, have the home that you expected if a disaster happens. Question 3, how much homeowners insurance do I need? Well, this question is really dependent on the individual circumstances. You want to make sure that you have enough homeowners insurance to rebuild your home, replace your personal property that's inside the home, to repair or rebuild any other structures on your property that were there before, like a swimming pool or a shed or a detached garage.
It adds up, all of it.
Yep. And you also want to make sure that you have homeowners insurance that will cover your living expenses for the time that you don't have a home. Question 4, what does homeowners insurance cover? Now, we just went through some of these with the last question, but it covers your home, the dwelling, the home itself. It covers your personal property, your appliances, furniture, clothing, all the stuff inside your home. It'll cover any other structures on the property like detached garages, fences, swimming pools, sheds.
Nice.
It will cover additional living expenses. It will pay for you to stay somewhere else at the time of a covered claim while your home's being rebuilt. It's also going to cover liabilities. So homeowners insurance has a liability portion on it if you elect to get that coverage. If somebody were to get hurt on your property and file a lawsuit against you, or you were to damage somebody's property and they file a lawsuit against you, your homeowners insurance will pick up that claim. Question 5, how can I lower the cost of my insurance? And probably the most common way we see people lower the cost of their homeowners insurance is by increasing the deductible. Increasing the deductible means that at the time of a claim, what you pay out of pocket, the deductible, is more. By doing that, you save money on your premium year over year. And you don't want to go with a deductible that's outrageously high. You want to pick something that I always recommend. Choose the highest deductible that you can afford to pay out of pocket if you were to have a claim. If that's $5,000, if you got $5,000 sitting in the bank and something happens to your house and you need to repair it for $5,000 and you got it like that, choose a $5,000 deductible. You're going to save money year over year. If that's $1,000, make your deductible $1,000. You don't want to stretch yourself too thin, but the deductible is the most common way to save money on your homeowner's policy.